Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, January the 27th, 2022. We have here 9 extra puzzles in this additional. 2 of those I've already solved. There are 3 left: Killer Sudoku, Binary, and a Tectonic. First, I will do this baby number. This will be number 4040. Double 40. Interesting. Oh, double 40. Great. Double 40. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 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 Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, then O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then let me scan. Interesting. I think we need to compare because I cannot see a solution. Well, I know. No. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Then yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. Same situation, but not in a row, but in a column. If I place 1, 2, 3, if I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, same situation. Then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we need to compare now. Let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3 columns. Double O, double 1, and O1. Let me see. 1, this, no, double 1. Yeah. This column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box O O. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Alright. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Need to compare again. Yes. Let me see the. Yeah. How about this row and that row? Okay. 1 1 0 1 1 empty box 1 1 0 0 0. Okay. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 6 minutes. Completed in 6 minutes. And I like this one. Yes. With comparing. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Yeah, you can also download the other links, the other puzzles that I'm not have done. Yes, you can also make them or solve it by yourself. If you have a request, just place it in the comments, and who knows, maybe I will do that request. Anyway, thank you, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.